Okay, so this is Andrew's seagull. So all the way over here and make it whistle.
That seems pretty put that time or something like that.
Lovely whistle. One flick at a time this way. Until she just goes off. We got green yet? I'll come round you. How many flicks from green? Ooh, she's off. Wave to Andrew, Eric. Give Andrew a wave. That's Eric. And that's your seagull again. That the one? Yep. Brand new out the box. You've got another winner there, Andrew. And that's George.
He probably doesn't know me, but...
And that's Richard. Do you want to say hello to Andrew?
Hello Andrew, how you doing?
Richard invented these little beauties. Yeah, she's a beauty. Do you want to slow her down and bring her to a stop just here and put her in reverse? And we're at George's house, or George's mum and dad's house, doing all of this. And that's Richard Mallard, who gets it to whistle while it's actually running. Clever. Gorgeously slow. She's a wonderful loco. There you go. We'll put her in reverse. Nice whistle. Okay, got green. That's 3, that's 4, and she's just starting to... Let's not put her back too far because they'll only derail the coaches. Okay, trying to do forwards then. Nice whistle. And off you go. Fences off. Oh, there's a coach off. There's a coach off, which is what happens when you reverse. Anyway, she's a beauty.